te iwi tēnā tātou. Ko te kōrero a te kini I tēnei wiki. Ka paratia te māhina, he pūrangi, he māneanea. Let your light shine. Let us shine bright together to make the darkness disappear. It's in the spirit of Easter this week that we acknowledge all our whānau and marae for ensuring our kaumātua and our tamariki are supported and safe.
If you're wondering throughout the Easter period this weekend whether supermarkets will be open, they will be. That's all except for Good Friday. Good Friday whānau is this Friday coming. So don't fret. You don't need to panic buy. Whānau, let's consider this a well-deserved rest for our supermarket workers, all of our whānau that are on the line, kei runga noa tukuto. I know it's tempting, and some of you just want to jump in your cars and go for a drive, but we need to stick to our taratahi measures. If you leave your whare, keep a 2-metre distance from all other people at all times. When you get home, wash your hands thoroughly. Any swimming, hunting, fishing, bombing off the Raglan Bridge, jumping off the train bridge in Ngahuru is simply just not an option in these conditions. The only travelling happening should be local whakai, doctors, or to get flu vaccines and get COVID tested.
We want to mihi to our Māori hauora providers. They have been working really hard behind the scenes to make sure that you've been looked after. Tomorrow is also World Health Day, and we want to give another big shout out to all our nurses and midwives. We appreciate you and the important mahi that you do in protecting our people and supporting our whānau to bring our beautiful taonga, our tamariki, into this world. Whānau, if you're with a nurse or a midwife āpōpō, either in person or online, make sure you give them lots of aroha. Whānau, our personal well-being is also really important. I hope that you've been taking advantage of our Hiki Wairua series on our website and all the flash few tips on offer. There are awesome things for you to do while you're in taratahi, but we appreciate also that this time can be difficult. So if you need to talk to someone, text the Need to Talk service on 1737. This service is free and is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can kōrero with a trained counsellor, so please whānau, if you need to talk to someone during this taratahi period, text 1737.
Whānau, we're working hard to get flu vaccines to whānau in Tāmaki, and with Te Hiwa on the road shortly, we'll keep you updated through the Facebook page and the Aaraitia website. Just a shout out to our whānau in Ngāti Raukawa. There are flu vaccines available throughout the Raukawa rohe this week for kaumātua and wahine hua hapu. Tomorrow, on Tuesday, they will be in Tokoroa from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. On Wednesday, Te Awamutu from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. On Thursday, they will be in Arapuni from 9:30 in the morning till 11:30, and then again on Thursday afternoon in Putareru from 1 to 3. You are also still able to go to Clauden's Gate 2 for the flu. Flu vaccines are available at Gate 2 on Heafy Terrace if you live in Hamilton.
Don't forget, whānau, testing is really important. If you are worried you might have COVID, please call 0800 358 5453 or get along to one of the testing sites. There are testing sites throughout the waka from Moko ki Runga to Tamaki ki Raro. Whānau, if you live in Tamaki, there are 2 Māori-led sites that are open daily from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. 7 days a week. Those sites are located in Manukau at the Whānau Ora Clinic and in West Auckland at Te Whānau o Waipareira. For more details on other COVID testing sites, check out our Facebook page. We want more of you going to these testing stations, whānau, so please don't be whakamā. In line with our King's message, we need to protect our whakapapa, so please get tested.
Whānau, we know that amongst the struggle of taratahi, it's boring. But there are also some real precious whānau moments that are worth sharing. So that's why we're running the Tainui Taratahi Challenge. Whānau, you can share your videos to the Facebook page. Let's see your best videos, your memes, your photos, your activities, or whatever you're doing in your bubble during Taratahi with the hashtag Tainui Taratahi. We'll be with you on Friday, so it's going to be a good Friday, whānau, for some people. We'll be with you on Friday afternoon to announce our winners of the first vouchers for the Tainui Taratahi Challenge for this week.
And whānau, Good Friday will be so good, you may even see Rahui do a TikTok. Amohia ake te ora o te iwi, ka puta ki te whai ao.
That's a yeah, nah, but to protect the people is paramount. And together, we will get through this. Pai maarire.
Ai maarire.